welcome back to my channel. Today we're viewing this $19 million house in Hollywood Hills. It has 5 bedrooms and 8 baths. It is truly one of the most beautiful homes I've ever seen. And not only is the house super beautiful and the flow amazing, but the views are insane. Even Jason was like, take a picture of me. He really loved it. So let's go take a look. Come on. So I love this when you walk in and there's a very nice like tranquil feeling with the water place. Excuse my English today. And right this way, we're gonna go into this nice heavy door. I mean, this door is like humongous. You need guns to open this door. It's so beautiful. This way is the kitchen where you're gonna be making all your delicious meals. All top of the line appliances, and of course, really good storage. Even the drawers are just so beautiful. And I feel like all these homes have this coffee machine. Yeah, I have yet to try a coffee from this machine, but it's at all the homes in Hollywood Hills for sure. And this is a great wine fridge. Check out the view. It's one of the most beautiful views I've ever seen. I really love it. Look at that shot of downtown LA. It's pretty good. Formal living room. You have a nice fireplace right there. Bar. And what's this? What are you doing here?
We're closing all the $1 billion deals.
You're closing all your $1 billion deals right here. And then so I'm going to show you the flow to the master bedroom. So here is a powder room.
Is that a chair?
It is a chair. So you and your friend can talk to each other while one is using the bathroom. You know, we think of everything. And here is, you know, the bar. Okay, I love this master bedroom. Okay, come on, let's go take a look. This is such a beautiful closet. Oh, I love all this stuff. You can put all your goodies in here. Oh my goodness. Lots of drawers. I can imagine shoes here and, you know, sweaters. And let's try this dress on. Do you think it fits? I don't know. Let me see.
Is that like a wedding dress?
No, it's a ball gown. Where are we going? Let's see where it's from.
Is it a legit dress?
No, I don't know. But it's, should I put it on? Maybe we can go to a ball. In from the closet, it flows into the restroom. And so someone forgot some stuff. There's a few pieces missing here, but I promise you, before you close escrow, this will all be beautiful. And obviously you're gonna have a beautiful view while you're taking a bath. And dual sinks. I'm guessing this is his and hers because this has more countertop space. Like, girls have like so much like makeup and like skincare. And I love these deep drawers. Look how deep these drawers are.
Oh my god.
This is how all drawers should be. I don't get these like shallow drawers they used to put in the old homes. I'm like, who is that for? Oh, and it's really cold in LA today, and so this fireplace feels so good. We're like freezing. I need to wear like winter coat or something. No, I'm just kidding. You don't need a winter coat in LA. What do you think it is? It's like 60s today, right? Okay, but you don't understand. We're like, I'm born and raised in LA, and 60s is freezing to us, you know? And so this flows into the pool area, and it's just you have amazing views in all the rooms. And this is Blue Jay. This is like prime real estate in Hollywood Hills. You know, bird streets. It's called the bird streets because all the streets are named after birds. And so yeah, they did really an amazing job. All right guys, so I'm gonna show you to the downstairs and let's go to the flow of the home. So I've been making lunch for Jason and he's been like loving all the food.
It's so good.
All right guys, so this is the downstairs area. And it's a really great family room. Flammy? What's a flammy? It's a great family room and, you know, it's a great place to entertain friends and hang out with your family. You can play some games. The adults can have some adult beverages. And then if you go off into this way, we have a huge media room. Powder room again. And beautiful, beautiful, beautiful theater room. It's just really well done. I mean, it's really just, it's so nice in here. Like, even the carpet is so like thick and plush.
Yeah.
It's so luxurious. Like, they really did such an amazing job here. Like, I love it. Now this room is technically a bedroom. Currently they staged it as a gym, but it can totally be a bedroom. It has a full closet in here.
The lights are automatic.
Yes.
As I go in.
Well, that's what you get when you buy this home, you know, this kind of home. Automatic lights again. Full shower, full bath. I mean, this is a pretty large bathroom or a guest room, I think.
Yeah.
Alright, so off this way.
To the right side.
The reason why I want to show you the garage is because it's really big and I feel like the person who buys this house is going to be into cars. How many cars do you think you could fit in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You could probably fit 5, like, comfortably. What do you think?
At least
1, 2,
7,
3,
no?
4, 5. You think 7? Okay, yeah, like maybe you could fit 7 in here. But yeah, so I just feel like the person who's gonna buy this is gonna be really into cars, and I think when they were building it, they had that in mind. Because some of the homes have like 3-car garage, you know? And then so, full bar over here. This is really like an entertainer's home. Dishwasher. And here's some more refrigerators. Wine rack. It's just, I don't know, I like the flow of the home, you know? You can play some pool.
Yeah. Oh.
Was that a good,
Nothing?
I don't know, that was an okay break.
Oh, you.
Okay, maybe I should quit playing pool and keep selling real estate. All right, and this way to the 4th bedroom, closet. I really am digging these motion lines. I feel
know.
like they should be in every house.
It's so cool.
Especially a house like of this size, you know? Full bath. Ooh, I like this tile. All right, guys, and to the final. Oh, and not to miss, but laundry room, 2 washer and dryers.
Whoa.
And this is a really nice full bath for, I mean, it looks like a restroom for a master bedroom, you know? It's a really nice restroom. This bedroom has really amazing views of Los Angeles. It has a huge wraparound balcony. They did a good job with this house. Hey guys, so thank you so much for watching our YouTube channel. So the home is for sale. And so if you would like a private tour, a proof of funds is required. And you can contact me at caroline.choi at sotheby'shomes.com, or you can contact me through my website, which is caroline.choigroup.com. And I just want to thank you so much for watching our video. We love you and hope to see you soon.